In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta Business Suite to edit your Instagram bio. If you manage your Instagram presence through Meta Business Suite, this is a quick and convenient way to update your profile without needing to switch over to the Instagram app. Editing your bio here can be especially helpful if you're already managing posts, messages, or account settings from your desktop. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you're in the correct account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Instagram Profile and click on it. This will take you to the profile editing area where you can make changes to key parts of your Instagram account. Next, click on Verify Account. This step helps confirm that you have the right permissions to make profile changes. Depending on your setup, Meta may ask you to confirm access before allowing edits. If this appears on your screen, just follow the prompt and continue once verification is complete. After that, find the bio section in your Instagram profile settings. You should see a small pin icon next to the bio. Click that pin icon to open the text field for editing. This is the area where you can update the short description that appears on your Instagram profile. Now you can start editing your bio. Type in the updated text you want to display. As you make changes, try to keep your wording clear and concise, since Instagram bios have limited space. It's a good idea to make sure the most important information appears first, especially if you are highlighting what your brand, business, or account is about. You may also want to quickly review the text for spelling, formatting, and readability before moving on. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. This will apply the updated bio to your Instagram profile. After saving, give it a moment to process. Then check that the new version appears correctly, and that's all it takes to edit your Instagram bio using Meta Business Suite. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it's a useful option if you prefer managing your social media from one central place. If you're updating your profile regularly, this can save you time and help keep your Instagram presence accurate and up to date.